All right, my dudes, I am going to be showing you how to fix the floating keyboard on your iPad Pro M4. First, it's important to understand what the floating keyboard is. On iPad OS, you can undock the keyboard and move it anywhere on the screen, which turns it into a smaller floating version. This feature is designed to improve typing flexibility and comfort by allowing you to position the keyboard closer to your thumbs when you're holding the device. Here are the steps to fix the floating keyboard. And the floating keyboard can be moved around the screen. If it's in the way, you can easily drag it back down to the bottom of the screen. To do this, simply press and hold the keyboard button located at the bottom right of the keyboard and drag the keyboard downwards. If you find the floating keyboard annoying and want to get rid of it, you can disable it temporarily by pinching in on the floating keyboard with 2 fingers. This gesture will revert the keyboard to its full size and dock it at the bottom of the screen. I will actually do this a couple of times so you can see it in action. Anyways, it's really that easy, guys. I would like to end things playing a little Killer Instinct on the iPad Pro M4 because, well, the game is awesome. Hope you enjoy it. Tap that like and let's run it. This, I wanted to recommend you guys check out Ignition Poker. You know, I think most of us enjoy playing poker in our free time, and this is a great place to do just that. I've currently been playing on Ignition for the last 7 years and regularly tear things up at the mid-state games. They've got amazing software for playing on your phone or PC and also offer you the ability to play both free and real money games. And with lots of cash games running 24 hours a day and millions of dollars in monthly tournament prizes, you should be asking yourself, what am I doing here? I need to check out Ignition Poker ASAP. Of course, if you guys would like to learn more about them, there will be some bonus and resource links for them directly below in the description of this video.
Got what it takes to beat the great. Fight. Walk out. Awesome combo.